breakfast. Johnny Rocket.
3 a.m. ngayon. We're going to Lempuyang Temple. Walang tao dito sa airport. Dito na yung sundo namin. Welcome to Bali. Ito yung sasakyan namin.
Ay, baliktad pala. Ang galing.
So from the airport, dumiretso kami sa first destination namin, which is the Limpuyan Temple. And it took around 2 to 3 hours of driving.
Hindi ka na ko nung Najungan. Bro. Take kami ng photos dito. Look at the view.
Ganito kaganda yung morning view nila dito.
Di nakasama at nag-TikTok mag-isa.
Hindi na lang may gimbal to.
Look at the view, guys. So nice. It's fogging. Ganda.
Ya había un charco de agua al frente de la entrada.
Every home install the decoration from the bamboo Ranam is Penyo. Yeah, because like we celebrate big ceremony every 6 months. Every home install like this even Hindu. Everywhere in Bali.
So we're gonna try their local coffee here at Tunas Baliluak Coffee.
You wanna do that? Okay. Yeah.
Can I take the picture, please? Post the social media. Ito yan. Yung nagpo-pop na.
And here we have the special coffee. Coffee
Yun yung
come from
musang,
the
di ba?
animal. This one we call it luwak.
Bali yung special coffee ng Bali daw is galing dito sa poop ng musang.
Until 1 of the day. And come like the food. We take the seed of the poop inside with the hygienist process. Yeah, this one.
So these are all the flavors. Yeah, you see the number.
Filipinos tend to like sweeter.
So ito yung mga flavors na itatry namin from their local coffees and tea.
Na-try nyo na yung vanilla.
I like the Bali coffee.
The Bali coffee. It's strong.
Yung mga trinay naming drinks kanina is all available here in their shop if you wanna buy.
This one is sugar free.
Sugar free, yes. This is inside like the powder.
We're gonna feed the fish, the koi fish.
Ano daw?
5,000.
Pelit ganito eh.
breakfast time. Dito kami sa Warung Divasa. And look at the view. Check-in time. So, ito yung accommodation na binook namin from Airbnb. And outside, ito yung view. We have the access to the pool area. Sa tapat lang mismo ng room namin. And yung outside is very cozy. It's nice. And inside, tara punta tayo. 2 bed. It's a charging area. TV. Small table. And cabinet. And CR. It's now 4 p.m. and ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch dito sa Perama D&D Cafe. At ito yung view niya inside. Para siyang old house na ginawang resto. Then, ito yung view niya sa second floor. Simple lang. Ito yung mga menu na available sa menu. It's very cheap. Our lunch for today. This is gado-gado, rice, teriyaki, and pineapple juice.
Rice teriyaki and then dragon fruit juice.
Mine's nasi goreng special with chicken wing. Wow, and I like double. Papunta kami ng dagat. At na-request ni Madam, paano i-turn around yung ano?
Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. At ngayon, nandito kami sa dagat. Since walking distance lang siya sa accommodation namin. Para siyang Manila, babe.
pa yan?
节节接换了，幸福的钟声响起，祝福的花瓣纷纷飘落。我们围着你庆祝这一刻，节节结婚了，爱永远不会褪色。梦想终于实现，爱情终于来临，让我们一起祝福姐姐的幸福。
Uy, walang tao. Pwede mag-night swimming. It's our second day here in Bali. This is our morning view. We're going out and magbe-breakfast. Saan tayo? Quick breakfast sa... Ano ba to? Ano yung name? Indomaret. This one is Point Coffee. Ito yung breakfast namin since wala pang bukas na resto by this time. Sarap ng kain nyo. Ay ka muna sa food review. It's our tour guide. And we're going to the swing heaven. This one is our car. Iba to, Jeff. Good morning. It's okay. Kinabahan ako dun. Wala tayong baong damit.
Kami ni Teo sana magaganyan. Kaso wala siya. Naman pala ng dress.
Nagdidress ka ba?
Dress.
Dress ka?
Hindi. Mahal. And this one for the plain water at the restaurant, yeah?
At the restaurant. Thank you. Si Beth.
Hi, good
Hi.
morning. How are you today?
Morning.
You guys time already? How many people are you?
3.
Three, all of you, right?
Dito na kami ngayon sa Swing Heaven. Try nyo ba? Gagi, may bite ako. Let's go! Let's go!
Kaya mo yan?
Hindi ko kaya. There you go first.
the full picture?
Tang ina.
Nasa hospital na ako. Yan na po yung pinaka-aesthetic sa amin.
Picture kami dito ng tatlo. Dito kami next. Kakatapos lang namin sa Swing Heaven and now we're on our way to Mindari Resto.
Up for lunch. It's raining. Kami magla-lunch. Okay.
Buffet. This one is only the drink. The drink is extra, yeah?
Para siyang Filipino food. Get a fried rice and a chips. Chicken curry. Try natin tong fish tuna. Spring rolls. Wala na, inantok na sila. Next na pupuntahan namin is Wanagiri Hidden Hill. At sobrang foggy ng dinadaanan namin kasi umuulan. finally, we're here.
Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light. It's good. Something about it changed my state of mind. I've been redesigned.
Ito na yung next destination namin. Basahin nyo na lang kasi mahaba.
Ganda.
Bilat.
Grabe, solid. Ang ganda. Saan tayo next? Doon, no? Parang ano? Parang park. Hindi mainit, sobrang lamig. Gloomy.
You know how we do.
Free drinks in the house.
We're going to the Jungle Gold Chocolate Factory. Anong gagawin mo sa Chocolate City?
Anong chocolate?
Chocolate Factory. Wala si Charlie dun. Ano masasabi mo sa katabi mo? Nandito na kami sa Jungle Gold. Ito ba ay pasalubong at sobrang daming chocolate dito. From here, hanggang dito, tapos dito, hanggang dito.
Hindi yung sa bali niya.
Ngayon pa lang, ayoko na mag-edit. Ang haba.
Before kung ano. Isang buwan ko ito paghihirapan.
Excited pa naman ako. Bilisan mo. Huwag mo naman matagalan.
Legit, nagpupuyat ako ng alas 3 para lang.
Nakalaptop ka na po lang ngayon.
Hindi madali mag-edit.
Bye sir, thank you. Grabing pagod.
From Philippines.
Walang ligo. Ito, walang tulog. Saka walang pera. Wala ako. Dito kami sasakay. Maarte. Guys, puti niya para lusong. Ako dyan, ito yun. Nakikita niyo yun? Di atin yun. Ito dapat putin. Pasok. Naupuan niya. Ako? Yan, bagay sana. Our ticket 7:30 a.m. It's raining. Huli, pagdating namin sa Penida is mainit na kasi hindi daw may enjoy yung view doon kapag umuulan. At ang haba ng pila. Waiting na lang ng call. Buti umaraw. Hello.
Kami lagi wala.
O yan na, ayan na. Nagrereklamo po kasi sila, lagi na lang likod ko daw yung nakikita. O ayan. Nasakay tayo na. Yung sinumirapan ako mag-cut. Okay yun, bloopers guys. Ang na nahihilo ko. Ayun o. Ito.
이 자리를 떠지
Tour guide namin si Richard. Can we go to the toilet? The moment siya mag-story. Pagkasama mo ito, makikidnap kayo.
Ito steady ko kay Coffee. Mula dito sa Bali.
Have a celebration. Let's go.
Crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun and live while we are.
What's up?
Paul!
Mainit. Jo, nakakasunog yung balat. Diamond Beach Resort and Casino. Look, ang ganda. Is it safe? Safe. Jump. I'm gonna sit right now.
I saw a cloud. It looked like a bird. It whispered a name I thought I misheard. The sky was velvet, stitched with gold.
Bro, sunog. So tapos na kami sa Diamond Beach at sunog na ako agad.
Bilis niya masusunod guys.
Punta na kami sa
Peke lang kasi yung pagkaputi niya.
magla-lunch na kami. See you. Ito kami ngayon sa Chubangkori Yuda to have our lunch. Shadow. Dito yung view eh. Dito. Hi.
Menu include free, just one food on drink for master. And this is menu extra for payment. Okay. Thank you.
One food and one drink. This is our lunch for today at umorder din kami ng rice for the chicken wings. Off to our next destination sa Kelingking Beach. See you! Kano pa tempered? We're heading to the Kelingking Beach. 1:30 PM. Sobrang init. Walang sunscreen. Sunog. Daming tao.
Hindi ko pilit na.
Sorry.
Met you at the right time. This is what it feels like. And I need you sometimes. We'll be alright. Met you at the right time. This is what it feels like. And I miss you some nights. We'll be alright. Met you at the right time. This is what it feels like.
Rocky Road.
Guys, ganito pala yung way papunta ng Angels Villabong at Broken Beach.
In a crowded room, I see you. Heart races fast, can't undo. Your smile lights up the night sky.
Saan ba maganda? Dito? Ha?
Every moment feels so right. In your arms, the world is bright. Forever yours, I say it loud. Under the stars with love and doubt. Every day and every night, I'll be your love, your guiding light. When the world turns cold and gray, you'll still be my sunny day. Your touch is magic, pure and true.
Ano masasabi mo sa adventure mo ngayon? Sobrang init. Guys, kung pupunta kayo dito, magbawan kayo ng aircon. At maligo kayo ng sunscreen.
Hala, oo nga, no.
At tingal na may arthritis pa yung isa.
Bakit ako? Ako yun.
Siguro magpapanggap ka na matanda ka na talaga. Register.
So, talagang 65 eh.
Ay, nako. Kapoy. We're going back to the Bali Island with Tanskin and weakness and weak arthritis. Sobrang sunog ng mga ako, guys. But it's all worth it kasi meron akong 5,000 photos. Pero yung upload ko doon, ano lang? 5. Nasa ko lahat yun.
Walang view siya.
Walang view. Ako yung view niyo, guys. So magsawa kayo sa upload. Gagawin nila mamaya kapag saan sila tapos ang mag-night swim. Kasi kikilitiin lang ako ng magmamasahe sa akin. Kaya sa baba.
Bibili ba kang beer? Saan ba? Sa aircon?
Ako sa gilid ah.
Oo, kayo lang.
Kabila, sa unan. Dito, sa tatlo. Ito ang tatlo. Ha?
Sorry. Saan ba dito?
Yan, dyan na.
Eh, mano dito.
Para mahapon. Parang
Oo, wala naman sinabi senior PWD.
yung
Tapos kami.
going back to Bali Island. At magdi-dinner na agad. Agad kami magdi-dinner. Kasi yung cheap dito, guys, tingnan. Pero ang sasarap at the same time. Rice noodle teriyaki. And then chicken wings. Rice teriyaki. And then ice milk coffee. And then What's
Dalgona?
Vasco Goreng?
Alam mo yung... Kasi pag kung tanong ito mo, pagkaya mo di akin.
Hear the waves crash on shore.
Good morning. And hindi pa tayo nagbe-breakfast. Saan tayo kakain?
So today is last day namin dito sa Bali. Kami ng market. Dubai pasalubong. Saan? Ano ba ang una? Outfit check, Queen Yasmin. Tingkate mag-edit ng reels. Bibili na ng pasalubong ang anak ng congressman. Anak ng contractor. Maraming pera ang bibilang guys. So. Millionary. Millionary yan dito.
Siya marunong guys magbilang.
Guys, gawa-gawa. Kami nagbibilang ng pera dito.
Bayad siya lagi. Pero pariya na tuloy kami. Kasi hindi siya marunong magbilang.
Basta alam namin, milyonaryo kami
Hindi
dito.
po siya guys.
Dito lang.
Bilangin mo nga.
Ito guys, so, buo yung binabayad lagi. Kahit maraming bayad. Kasi hindi marunong magbilang to.
Krishna, Ole Ole Bali.
Just the way it goes.
Galing. Galing ng mirror. Pagbukas mo, laki ng mirror.
Ang linaw. Wala kang dumi-dumi yung mirror dito.
Bilhin mo yung, yung green.
Ano lang?
Kasi sa akin yung brown. Parehas tayo niyan. Isa lang. This one is pure red. Hindi daw siya mamimili pero pinamili niya 1.2 million.
Lunch muna kami. Bye-bye. Brunch time. Dito kami sa Nasi Bali.
笑那么甜，像草莓冰淇淋融化在我心间。微风轻轻吹过，带走了所有阴天，只剩下你的味道弥漫每个瞬间。哦，你的眼神像糖果，让我沉醉不想逃脱。每一天，每一夜，只想赖在。
Dessert time. Walang katapusang food trip. Grabe kakakain na namin.
Ganyan kalaki to.
Ano sa'yo?
Ayun dapat, pero kaya nga pinapapili kita.
Eh di, pwede
Atin
naman
na-
tayo
Isa lang
hati
yan.
eh.
Dalawa nga, iba't maghahati.
Hindi,
Para yung
dalawang
ibang-
menu, isa niyan, tapos isang...
No.
Ito sa akin.
Ay, pati ikaw? Magkapdi ka?
Cake lang kasi nagpapalpitate ako.
Yes, yes. Cappuccino with, ito na lang, lamington.
Ayun, yung mas masarap yun.
Alin?
Ito, ano ba to?
Scones.
Ano yan?
Pasas.
Basta tinapay na umalsa. Ito lang yung kakaiba eh.
Ano ba to?
Lamington, di ko alam. Kaya kayo ginawa ko eh.
Lamington, that's box cake with strawberry jam inside. And the outside is chocolate and dry coconut.
Right.
Narinig ko lang yung strawberry.
Yung dalawa lang.
Ano ko meron?
And lamington, yeah.
Yeah. Bibiro ka lang.
Thank you very much. And have a seat. We will be
Can we go outside? maligo. Ako lang. Saya. Yes. Bali Beach. Ngayon, uwi na kami. Baka maligo ulit ako sa pool. Look at the view. So nice.
Magti-take off kami.
No more chicken. Like this one? 20,000? Yeah. Sirado na yung mga kainan. Did you include the chicken?
This, yeah, include chicken. This 20, yeah.
How about this one? This one's 15, right?
And microwave?
Yeah, please. Dahil pera. Thank you, ma'am, sa libre. This one is balot, right? Ay.
This one, 60,000.
Hindi, maalat. Ano, ito maalat din.
Ah, okay.
Ano pa ito i-order? Kung ano ang fried rice.
Na lang kami. One piece chicken. Ano yan?
Nasi goreng? Nasi goreng ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Sarap.
Hindi ako makakain ng maayos. Bali, see you sa airport. Mamayang umaga.
I'm wishing you to have a safe flight, have a lovely day, and if you don't mind, please give me 5 stars ratings. Yeah.
Let's go far away together, a journey that we'll always remember. The world outside is waiting wide with secrets that we've yet to find. The road ahead, it seems so grand, a story that will soon expand. We'll leave behind the daily grind, the worries that have been unkind. Underneath the open sky, our adventure's about to fly. The sun
Thank you,
will
Bali.
rise on
See you
brand
sa
new
next
days
travel.
as we walk
Bye.
along these ancient ways. The wind will sing a gentle song, guiding us where we belong.
Sabi hindi bibili ng pasalubong. Tapos nag-check-in ng baggage na 20 kilos. Galing.
Let's go far away together, to places that we've never seen. Through mountains high and oceans wide, our love will be our guiding light. Let's go far away together, leaving all our troubles behind. We'll build a world of our own kind in this journey that we'll define. We'll find a hidden waterfall, the water's like a crystal wall. The trees will whisper soft and low, sharing tales of long ago. At night we'll watch the stars align as if they're drawing out our sign. The moon will cast a silver glow on this path that we'll always know. We'll meet the locals on the way and learn the stories of their day. Their smiles will warm our hearts so true, making this trip all the more new. Let's go far